तर आपला लोड आहे 250 व्होल्ट 10 एम्पियर आणि मॉड्यूल्स अवेलेबल आहेत 25 व्होल्ट 2 एम्पियर. So we have calculated number of modules we require. So how we calculate? By using this formula. So load voltage divided by module voltage into load current divided by module current. So load voltage is 250 volt divided by module voltage is 25 volt. Okay. आणि module current is 10 ampere divided by 2 ampere. So you'll get 10 into 5, 50 modules. It is a total number of modules required. Total modules. मतलब सिरीज आणि पॅरल करून 50 मॉड्यूल्स. आता ओनली सिरीज मध्ये किती लागतील? ओनली मॉड्यूल इन सिरीज लोड व्होल्टेज डिवाइड बाय मॉड्यूल व्होल्टेज. सो 250 डिवाइड बाय 25. So 10 modules in series. So आपल्याला 10 modules in series मध्ये कनेक्ट करावं लागतील. So we have connected 10 modules in series. See 1, 2, 3, 4 and 10 number. So we cannot draw 10 number of modules. So 10 number. एका मॉड्यूलचं व्होल्टेज 25 व्होल्ट. So 10 नंबरचं 250 व्होल्ट because आपला लोड 250 व्होल्ट आहे. So this is the reason why we connected total number of modules in series, because our load voltage is 250 volt. So 250 you'll get when we connected 10 modules in series. Okay, 10 modules in series. So that's why we have connected 10 modules in series. So you'll get 250 volt and 2 ampere because current remains same in the series configuration. That's why 250 volt by 2 ampere. What about current? So our load current is 10 ampere. Our load current is 10 ampere. But module current is 2 ampere. It is not, we don't have that much of current in a module to run this load. Okay, so we have to connected modules in parallel. Okay, so now total number of modules in parallel, it is string. I'm talking about string now. So 5 string we have to connect it. So this is first string. It is called string. When number of modules are connected in series, it is called string. So 10 number of modules are connected in series, it is called string. And this is a first string. So we have to connect more 4 number of strings in a parallel configuration. So we'll get 10 ampere. Okay, so now I'll draw. Now, once you understand the voltage configuration or series connections of the module, then we have to increases the current. Okay, so now the current is in the first string is 2 ampere, but our load current is 10 ampere. So we have to connected 5 strings in the parallel configuration. Okay, so now we have to connected 5 strings in parallel. So first string, second string, third string, fourth string and 5 string, fifth. So what is the current coming from the first string is 2 ampere. Okay, इथून पण 2 ampere. So total 4 ampere. Okay, इथून 2 ampere. So इथून इकडे 6 ampere. इकडे 8 ampere because याचा 2 ampere. नंतर इकडे 2 आल्यानंतर 10 ampere. So total current is here. Your load is 250 volt. कारण काय 1 2 3 4 5 10 पॅनल्स आपण कनेक्ट केले 25 मॉड्यूलचे, सो 250 व्होल्ट. स्ट्रिंग्स कनेक्ट केल्या सिरीज पॅरललमध्ये 5 स्ट्रिंग ऑफ 10 मॉड्यूल, सो एकाचा करंट किती आहे 2 एम्पियर, सो 10 एम्पियर. सो टोटल इज 250 व्होल्ट 10 एम्पियर. सो विल गेट 250 व्होल्ट 10 एम्पियर. अशा प्रमाणे आपल्याला प्लस आणि मायनस 250 व्होल्ट 10 एम्पियर मिळून जाईल.